Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today, St Peter's Hospice, another Rubik's Cube. This is one of those ones that's supposed to be fast because it's got the rounded edges. In fact, you're supposed to be able to do it with one hand, aren't you, if you're really good at it, which I'm not. But yeah, 49p, I thought we'll have that for my grandson. And then this caught my eye, 99p, Animation Praxinoscope. Rebuild a 100-year-old optical toy which demonstrates the working principle of modern animations. View the animation discs provided and be amazed how still pictures come alive. Comes with an LED lamp which flashes like early movies. It's an inspiring optical science kit. Brand new, still in the packaging, unopened. I really ought to let my grandson try it. Very tempted to open it myself and have a go. But we'll see. I'll put it on the shelf where I put all the stuff for them to choose when they come and visit. If they don't look at it in a few weeks' time, I'll have a go myself.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have two shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.